Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which city is the headquarters of the Northern Railway Zone of Indian Railways? Answer A. New Delhi. Question: the headquarters of the South-Eastern Railway Zone is located in which city? Answer B. Kolkata. Question: which of the following is the headquarters of the Western Railway Zone? Answer A. Mumbai. Question: the headquarters of the Eastern Railway Zone is situated at? Answer C. Havda. Question: which Indian Railways zone has its headquarters at Sikandarabad? Answer A. South Central Railway. Question: the headquarters of the South Western Railway Zone is located in? Answer A. Bangalore. Question: which city houses the headquarters of the Central Railway Zone? Answer B. Mumbai. Question: the headquarters of the North-Eastern Railway Zone is at? Answer A. Gorakhpur. Question: the headquarters of the North Central Railway Zone is located in? Answer B. Allahabad, Prayagraj. Question: which of the following zones has its headquarters at Bilaspur? Answer A. South East Central Railway. Question: the headquarters of the East Coast Railway Zone is situated at? Answer B. Vishakhapatnam. Question: where is the headquarters of the East Central Railway Zone? Answer B. Hajipur. Question: which zone's headquarters is located at Jaipur? Answer A. North Western Railway. Question: the headquarters of the Northeast Frontier Railway Zone is at? Answer B. Maligaon. Question: the headquarters of the Southeast Central Railway Zone is located in which city? Answer B. Bilaspur. Question: the headquarters of the Southeast Railway Zone is located at? Answer C. Kharagpur. Question: which Indian Railways Zone's headquarters is at Ahmedabad? Answer B. North Western Railway. Question: the headquarters of the Western Railway Zone is in Mumbai. Which division is not part of this zone? Answer D. Pune. Question: the headquarters of the South Central Railway Zone is at Sikandarabad. Which of these cities is not under this zone? Answer C. Chennai. Question: the headquarters of the North Western Railway Zone is located in Jaipur. Which state does this zone primarily cover? Answer A. Rajasthan. Question: which Indian Railways Zone has its headquarters in Lucknow? Answer D. North-Eastern Railway, NER. Question. Which zone's headquarters is located in Mumbai and is the oldest railway zone in India? Answer A. Central Railway. Question. Which Indian Railways zone's headquarters is located at Patna? Answer A. East Central Railway. Question. The headquarters of the South Western Railway Zone is at Bangalore. Which states does this zone mainly serve? Answer B. Karnataka, Kerala, Goa. Question. The headquarters of the East Central Railway Zone is at Hajipur. Which major river basin does this zone primarily cover? Answer A. Ganges. Question. Which Indian Railways zone's headquarters is located at Maligaon, Guwahati? Answer A. Northeast Frontier Railway. Question. The headquarters of the Northern Railway Zone is in New Delhi. Which of these divisions does not belong to Northern Railway? Answer D. Havda. Question. Which Indian Railways zone has its headquarters located at Nagpur? Answer B. South East Central Railway. Question. The headquarters of the Western Railway Zone is Mumbai. Which division is the busiest in this zone? Answer A. Mumbai Central. Question. The North Central Railway Zone has its headquarters in Allahabad, Prayagraj. Which of these major cities is part of this zone? Answer A. Agra. Thanks for watching. Comment your score. If any suggestions, comment below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.